In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the start and end frame feature in Hailuo AI. This feature lets you set the very first and very last images of your video so the AI can animate the motion that connects them. It's perfect for creating polished openings, controlled endings, or smooth transitions between two defined visuals. Open your browser and go to hailuoi.video. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create video and click it. That opens the project interface where you'll choose your guiding images and describe what should happen in between. Start with the beginning of your story. Click the Start Frame button, pick an image from your device, and select Open. Choose a clear, high-quality image that matches your project's aspect ratio. Well-lit photos or clean graphics help the AI understand edges and shapes. If you're combining brand assets, check that logos are legible and not cropped too tightly. Now define how the piece should end. Click the End Frame button, browse to your second image, and click Open. For best results, keep stylistic elements consistent across both images. Similar color palettes or lighting make for more natural transitions. If you want noticeable transformation, ensure the subject is related but not identical, so the AI has room to animate meaningful change. Next, type your prompt. In a few sentences, explain what should happen from the start image to the end image. Mention the subject, the mood, and any movement cues, like slow zooms, gentle pans, or energetic camera motion. Keep the language specific and goal-oriented, and avoid contradictory instructions. If you have a preferred style, cinematic, documentary, playful, state it clearly. When everything looks good, click Create. This sends your images and prompt to the renderer. If the Create button isn't active, double-check that both frames are selected and your prompt isn't empty. A stable internet connection helps prevent timeouts during upload. Now, wait for it to load. Render time can vary with complexity and server load, so be patient and leave the tab open until it finishes. You'll see status feedback on screen. Once it completes, your video will appear following the guidance from your start and end frames. And that's the workflow. Visit the site, create a project, set a start image, set an end image, describe the journey in your prompt, then create and let it render. With consistent framing and a clear prompt, you'll get controlled, professional-looking results every time.